quick video. I got a 19 Colorado. It's blowing cold air, just an auto. So you can see I got an auto blowing 54 degrees. And my air duct temperature sensor is reading 163. And the only way to get hot air is gonna be moving that all the way to high. Then we're gonna start getting hot air. Switch it. So there he goes. It's gonna start climbing. And then I'm gonna switch it to auto again. So auto, and then come down to 82 again. And our air temperature is gonna start going down. Right there. 79, set at 82. Our sensor is not changing, so we're gonna replace that sensor and I'll show you guys the result. So I got the sensor replaced. This is what it looks like. Basically, you just pull it out. It's kind of hard to pull out, but you just pull it straight out and it comes out. Here it is. Now our temperature sensor reading is, let's see, 81. As you can see, it was stuck at like 160 or something like that, and it wouldn't do anything. So now I got a 70 on auto. 71, and now we're gonna go all the way to, let's do 85, and then let's see our temperature. There's our temperature changing right there, 87. 90, 91, and now let's go back to 70. Let's just do 72. And then now our temperature probe, it's coming down. Yep, it's coming down. And then as we can see our temperature, we can go down it a little more. That way we can just make sure it is working, which it is, as you can see. Our temperatures right there. And then now, there you go, it's kicking on, 60, got on 64. And there you go. And here's a printout of where the temperature sensor goes. So there's a temperature sensor right here, but that's not it. It's the one all the way on the top. I'll leave a picture of the case and everything. That way you guys can see the location of it. Thanks for watching.